Hey guys, so today I'm doing my quarterly blood test and I wanted to show you behind the scenes how it works. We've got these new test kits where you can actually do it at home so you don't need to go get your blood drawn, and it's pretty quick and easy, so let's see how it works. One of the things is it has to be done at a specific time early in the morning, and you have to be fasting, so you can't eat food um, until you do the test for your cholesterol levels to be accurate. And you also need to do it a couple hours after waking up for more of the hormonal markers like testosterone or cortisol to be useful. So the first step, the scary part for some people, is to use one of the lancets to prick your finger. And to do it, we'll get warmed up a little bit. You want the blood to be kind of flowing so that it comes out easily. So I'll just warm up a little bit. Put it in hot water for a little bit as well to see if it looks a bit pink. And this is the collection spot. So this is where the blood samples will go, and then you mail it in. So it's a lot more convenient than having to go to a lab. And there's no big needles being stuck in your veins, so some people might prefer this. So step one, I will open this cap. And the actual thing is in here, and so when you press it, it'll just poke out a little bit. And we've got these alcohol swabs, wipes, so use that to disinfect fingers before. And now we'll get started. Which finger should we use? Let's see. I'll do this one. Ready? Ooh, not too bad. So you can see nothing actually happened, just a tiny little hole, and then if I squeeze a little bit, some blood will start to come out, but really painless. And now I have to drop this onto the collection pad. And this is a little tricky because it not supposed to touch it. So just try to drop it onto there. Ooh. Okay. Got one. Gotta just let it pull up a little bit first. And then once it gets big, kind of drop it onto there. But you don't want to touch it. 2. They said to do 4 big drops, so halfway there on 1. Oops. 3. Doesn't hurt, it's just kind of annoying to wait, but really not too bad. And 1 more on the top one. Four. Okay. Now we're halfway there. See, it's kind of still coming out, but I really have to squeeze it out to really get it going. It's not like blood is just shooting out, and otherwise it'll clot pretty quickly. So let's see here. More. So you can see it's starting to fill up. right here, and it should go this way. So almost done. Really quite painless. If I wasn't squeezing this out, nothing would be happening, and you also don't feel anything. So just a sight of blood might make some people a little uncomfortable, but not too bad. If you can handle watching this video, I think you'll be okay. So that's 2. One more. Oh, I also need to write my name on this thing, so let's do that now while I wait for this. Date collected. Okay, oh shit. One more, and we're done. Okay, there we go. And there's band-aids and stuff, but really once you stop squeezing it, it should just cloud up on its own after a few seconds and be fine. So that was it. Pretty simple, pretty quick. Less than 6 minutes since we started. And then just write the collection date. And we're good to go. Now this needs to sit and dry a little bit. So I'll give it an hour to go there. And then once it's dried, it goes into this little blood collection bag. It says don't open until you're ready to place the dried sample. So it's not going to do that now, but basically just open this, that, and then drop that into the other envelope and drop it in the mail, just like a postcard. So that's pretty much how I check my blood levels. And this will start to tell me things like cholesterol, not just HDL and LDL, but ApoB, which is a really useful marker for actually predicting heart disease and cardiovascular health, and also other ones like vitamin D, cortisol, other markers, but really the cholesterol and the